everyone, in this video we'll be making tiramisu. So let's get started. Begin by separating 4 eggs. Place the egg yolks in a medium-sized bowl. Then add a 1/4 cup of sugar. Next, in a large saucepan, bring water to a simmer. Place the bowl with your egg yolks and sugar on top, and then beat your egg yolks and sugar on high speed until it becomes a pale yellow and has tripled in volume. This should take about 3 to 4 minutes. Once your mixture is thick and a pale yellow, take it off the heat. Let your egg mixture cool to around room temperature and then add 8 ounces of room temperature mascarpone. Fold the mascarpone into your mixture until well combined. Once you've folded in all of your mascarpone and your mixture is nice and creamy, set it to the side. Now, in another bowl, add 3/4 cup of heavy cream and 1/4 cup of sugar. Beat the heavy cream and sugar until it creates soft medium peaks. When you're finished, add your whipped cream into your egg mixture. Then fold everything together. When you finish folding everything together, set your mixture to the side. Next, in a shallow baking dish or bowl, add 1 3/4 cup of espresso and 2 tablespoons of dark rum. Mix the espresso and rum together until well combined. Oh, by the way, make sure your espresso is at room temperature. When you're finished, set it to the side. Now take out some ladyfingers and begin assembling your tiramisu. Quickly dip each ladyfinger one at a time into your espresso mixture and then place them into a 8x8 baking dish. Once you've covered the bottom of your dish with ladyfingers, add half of your cream mixture. Spread the cream throughout the pan. Once you have an even layer of cream, add another layer of ladyfingers. After you've added your ladyfingers, add the rest of your cream mixture. Once you've added your cream mixture and spread it throughout the pan, dust a layer of cocoa powder on top. Now cover your dish in plastic wrap and place it in the fridge for 4 hours or overnight. And that's it! All you have to do now is cut a slice and enjoy. And this is the finished result! The tiramisu was really good and it was fun to make. I was craving tiramisu like crazy, so that's why I decided to make this. Alright, that's it for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Everything I used in this video will be down in the description below. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!